My chest was hurting earlier today, so I phoned the doctor and they told me to go to A&E. They did an ECG and blood test and said it was abnormal, so they sent me in an ambulance to a cardiac hospital, which is where I am now, and they're doing more blood tests and ECGs, and I'm going for a chest x-ray in a minute to see what it is. I just really hope this doesn't affect Dubai.
On behalf of British Airways and the entire crew, I'd like to finally welcome you aboard this British Airways operated Airbus A380 aircraft to Dubai.
Well, here we are for the world's first ever jet suit race. 8 pilots battling it out to claim the title of the world's first ever jet suit race winner and have their name etched in the history books. What a place to do it in front of this incredible Dubai skyline.
Feels like the first time I made time in a minute. Rock with it, I'm in attendance. How could we pair feelings aside? I gotta match the fires to the flame. The feelings just gotta tax. I got the days fall, the straight fall away small. The waist started dancing on me. Had to take you back home. Time moving slow, we fast forward. Butterflies in the belly, your signs is angelic. And mine through my aesthetic, and most are try get it. Love it without limits, the message is so vivid. Round and round with me, the baby don't mind spinning. Word, put it work in the referral. Shorty could be my girl, look at this so thorough. She precious like little pearls, hair straight up them pearls. Beautiful cause you earned it, making this thing worth it.
On the Pacific Coast Highway. Yeah, I love my soul.
Hostile conditions. It's really warm.
I agree with the hostile conditions.
Yeah, like my soul on the Pacific Coast Highway.
Yeah, gonna let the stars be my guide. Had to leave my worries all behind. Loving how the ocean meets the sky.
What are you running today?
I'm running
to the bar back.
Where'd you go? If you never
do another one.
That was so good.
I hate you now, March.
I'm joining.
You won't stop running. Come to touch, yeah. You won't stop running. Too high to climb. I know it's hard, but I can still hear it beating.
Is it cold?
Your heart, I won't mistreat her. Promise.
Maybe I can't do it. Can we please do it again?